Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Spotlight feature. So what is Snapchat Spotlight? Spotlight is a place where you can upload videos for other people to like and rate. The highest rated videos or the most popular videos are inclined to win a cash prize. So that's the incentive that Spotlight is kind of dishing out for people to use Spotlight. Now where you can find spotlights. So open the Snapchat application here, and spotlight is in the bottom right hand corner where that play button is. So when you go ahead and click on it, as you can see, this is the spotlight feature. Now how do you add to spotlight? Spotlight is identical to what you have to do add to your story. So go to the bottom middle and click on the camera icon, and you have to take a video. You cannot upload a video, it has to be a video. So either pick a video from your camera roll or you can record a video right here. So I'm going to record a video. This is my video, and now you just have to tap on this send in the bottom right corner, and I'm going to choose spotlight right up top corner, and then so you can add hashtags as well. You can add more if you like, and press done, and then you press the send symbol in the bottom right hand corner, and it automatically sends to Spotlight. Now to see your Spotlight stories, it's just like what you have to do see your actual stories. Go to the upper left hand corner and click on that circle, and then it will say here Spotlight in Snap Map. This is where your Spotlight stories live. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.